If you don't like complicated trading but still want to invest in crypto, then try Coins.ph today. First, download the Coins.ph app from your app store. Sign up with your email and create a strong password. Don't forget to verify your identity by uploading a valid ID and taking a selfie. This unlocks full functionality and higher transaction limits. Next, fund your account. Tap Cash In and choose your preferred method: bank transfer, over-the-counter, or e-wallets like Gcash. Follow the instructions and your funds will appear in your Coins.ph wallet. Now let's buy some crypto. Go to the crypto section, tap Convert, and select your source and target currencies. Enter the amount, review, and confirm. Your crypto is now in your wallet. Want to sell? Use the same convert feature to swap your crypto back to PHP. Confirm the transaction and the funds will be in your PHP wallet. Lastly, cash out your funds. Select Cash Out, choose your method, enter details, and confirm. Easy peasy. Happy trading on Coins.ph. Stay secure and always research before investing.